Hello, this is Jerome Sorilia and today I'm going to share to you yung binili ko here sa Kinder Joy. So, di ba sinabi ko ayaw ko nang bumili. Pero this time, nakita ko si Tweety. This is by Looney Tunes. So, basically, naalala ko uli noong sabihin natin na mid-90s hanggang late 90s, nauso kasi si Looney Tunes. Probably kasi may yung basketball kay Michael Jordan. And then, wala lang. It just reminds me of good old days. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, mag-open tayo kung ano yung makukuha kong surprise dito kay Looney Tunes. So, excited na ako. Ano kaya laman nito? Uy, it's really hard. Ito pala yung na-crush. Pero ibibigay ko yan sa sa opisina ko. Kasi doon ko lang na na pagtanto na this one is yung mamahaling chocolate. Ferrero Rocher. 'Di ba? Ito yung hayaan ko lang sa kanya mag-enjoy kasi sometimes I like to eat chocolate, sometimes I don't. So, ito na siya. Ah! Si Tiny Toons talaga. Every time talaga kapag first time, swerte. Pero kapag second time na, hindi na ako bibili. Aba, may to? What's this exactly? Meron Tiny Toons. Si Tweety Bird. Right? I don't know bakit may ganito siya. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito kay Tweety Bird. Meron siyang basic manual. Puro Tweety Bird sila lahat. So, I think yung nakuha ko dyan, itong nakasuot ng apron. At dinudugtong-dugtong pa pala sila. Meron pala ito pala sa back. Inalagay siya here. Pero I'm just going to buy one. Let's do it later. Paano ba ito i-assemble? Okay. Mas easier yung niya kasi I thought kailangan mo pang tanggal-tanggalin to, hindi na pala. All you have to do is to get this part and then like that. No, I think. Ito yung face I think this is the beak. It's like that. Put the right thing sa peg. Ayan, lumabas yung niya. Yung beak. Ilalagay lang sa peg ng ganyan. And then, bakit meron siyang hole sa top? What exactly is that for? Yeah. Ilalagay lang siya ng ganyan, tapos may hole. Baka may cup pa siya something o may pa siya. And then this one is supposedly an apron. How should I wrap this around his waist? Tingnan natin. It's another way around. It's like that. Yeah. And then you have to insert this here. And then other side. Actually, parang naduduling nga ako Diba? I'm so naduduling. Hindi ko siya maipasok. Yeah, there you go. And then after which, what are we supposed to do na? Are we supposed to put a knot here? Hindi ko nga maipasok kasi my hand is so big for this one. Probably no need na. Sa lahat naman ng mapupunta sa akin, yung may tela pa talaga. And then after which, what are we going to supposed to do with this one? I think I'm not going to put na this apron. Kasi ang hirap. Ano bang meron dito sa kanila? Nagte-tennis, naggigitara, nagsasalamin. Akala ko naman nakatapis to. Galing siya sa banyo. Paano ko ito matatali? Or, you know what? I'm just gonna let it as is na lang kasi ito para sa may mga maliliit na ano to, na daliri. It's not for me. Ay hindi, meron siyang something na ano, stopper ata. Yeah, there you go. Ah, okay. Supposedly, hindi ko siya tinanggal. Ibalik natin. There you are. And then, pull. Ayun na siya. Mayroon siyang excess something like there. And I don't know. Am I doing the right thingy? No, I don't think so. Pinahihirapan ko yung sarili ko dito. Is it worthy? Ikasasaya ko ba? Or probably should be another way around. Ayusin natin. Humahaba tuloy yung video ko. I'm planning na super iksi lang sana. Pero hindi. Hindi siya naging iksi. It become mahaba because of this thing. Na pinahihirapan ako masyado. Oh my God. I think my hand is too big for this one. Siguro if I'm a real ano talaga yung age something I can anyways children naman ask their parents to do this okay, I made it na. Yeah. Oh my God, this is terrible. Oh my God. Anyways, I'm vlogging naman for myself, pero if you want to watch, why not, right? So, yun na, nagawa ko na finally. So, we're going to place them in the peg. And then, this is a background. Akala ko naman, ano siya, something na, I can't, yeah. Oh my goodness, I cannot insert it. Last ata to, ito muna. Am I doing this thing right? Hindi siya kasya. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh Oh my goodness, it fell down. So, ito na siya ngayon. Si Tweety. Ganyan siya. And this is it. Baka mamaya, puro ano yung ano ko. Puro daliri ko makikita ninyo, di ba? In the dark. Okay. So basically, that's everything as of now. And then, ito si Tweety Bird. Ayan yung nakuha natin, yung naka-apron. Diba? Pwede naman sana ito yung nagigitara yung nakuha ko. Pero yung naka-apron talaga yung nakuha. And then, buti na lang hindi ko nakuha itong mga sing-sing-sing-sing-sing na yan. Tweety Bird talaga. I think okay na yan. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.